Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to lock a folder on Google Drive or file is the same thing at the end of the day. So if we want to prevent changes rather than viewing, you can lock an individual file within a folder or file, as you can see here on the screen. So I will show you with the file, but if you have here some folder and file in it, you can do it the same as I will show you. So now we will lock, for example, this one, to-do list. So select it and then click the right button on your mouse and move here to the file information. And at the end here, you will see lock. So click on that. And as you can see, this will prevent anyone from editing or commenting. Editors can unlock the file. So if I lock it, now it's basically locked. You will see this icon next to the name of the file so that you know that it's locked. As you can see, if I open up this file, you will see also this locked mode here. And if you are an editor, you can unlock file, otherwise you can't. So this is how you lock a folder or file. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next